Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Hope you had a good day in the market. It's Wednesday, January 12th. Oh, what do we got going on here? SPY. Pretty good day on the SPY. CPI numbers came out today, 7%, which is god awful, but it was about what they expected. So SPY didn't do a whole lot on that. Just kind of rallied a little bit, honestly, and now it's pretty flat. Since it's what they expected, no problem. That being said, it is still awful inflation numbers we haven't seen in over 40 years. And so basically waiting on Powell, the man that runs the stock market, through the Fed, see what he does and see where it goes. But TA wise, it's still bearish. We still have red MACD here, red under the 9. Did have a pretty good bounce here, and it looks like it's kind of hitting this resistance again that we triple topped on before breaking out. But yeah, so I'm thinking if we can't break that resistance, it's probably not going to make new highs. If we do, I imagine it will, and then you can kind of start to see this little channel. It's building these higher lows and higher highs. So then I'd kind of expect draw a line kind of up here, make a new high, and continue on with this channel of higher highs and higher lows. Otherwise, we kind of hang around this resistance. Could start to come back down. Yeah, we'll see on the hourly. It is bullish, but again, it kind of hit that resistance and didn't break it, so we'll see. GameStop, on the other hand, GameStop's been awful the last few days. This thing's bummed me out. I thought it was going to be doing something similar to this. Whole lot more volume, a lot more price action, a lot bigger candles. And so, yeah, it's been a lot more wild. That being said, I still think the cycle is coming. I think they've got a massive amount of failed delivers from this. As far as ETFs, GameStop, and then it just so happens that they got that huge injection of money from Sequoia, over $1 billion. I can't help but think that a lot of this extra pressure we're seeing here, because this is unusual. It's not like it was back here. This is like they got reinforcements. I can't help but think that extra over $1 billion has gone straight to holding down this short campaign they have on GameStop and keeping it suppressed extra low and longer. It's only a matter of time, though, and the longer they do it, the more it'll explode to the upside. So there was speculation that they're getting the funding to potentially go public. I'm not sure if that's happening or not. If they do go public, they would have to release all sorts of numbers and inside information that if they are doing shady stuff they wouldn't want to do. So maybe not going public, but hard to know. Anyways, on the daily here, yeah, we've got red under the 9, we've got a bearish MACD. Just those alone would make me think this thing's going to tank down 115 for a brief stop, and then probably just the psychological levels of like 100. That being said, it hasn't yet, but it could. It could. We haven't seen it down here yet with a really red day in the market. What was that red day? It was 1.5. Yeah, so that was the big red day we had in the market. Big red day on here. Haven't seen a big red day on the market yet to see how much momentum that'll bring it down. But yeah, I'm not sure if I mean they're shorting it so much that it's starting to be exposed on the short interest and even the borrow fee and the available shares. So as they start to kind of exhaust the tools they use, you start to see little seams start to tear. You can start to kind of see what's going on behind the curtain. The puppet master, get a little glimpse outside the matrix, basically. So starting to see a little bit of the borrow fee. And then I think Fidelity is reporting. They were reporting like no shares available for a bit. Yeah, so there's different signs we're seeing to where they're kind of getting to the extent of it. So I think we are still kind of in this period here. Again, this, if you look at it on a longer time frame, we're counting weeks. It would be probably next week or the week after where we should start seeing some movement. If it's going to be similar to this cycle, which I think it will. This one I think was longer potentially because the share offering kind of missed one in there. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks of kind of shorting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So potentially one more week, but given, see back here, these 3 weeks it was pretty much consolidating for the for those last 3 weeks, and that's why we're able to get those bullish momentum indicators before it ripped. This last 2 weeks, it's still going down, and even here, see these last 3 weeks, it's kind of flattened out here too before rally. So this one, I'm not sure if we're gonna get kind of the bullish MACD and green over the 9 like I was hoping before rally. It might just kind of rip from wherever it's at. Kind of how we saw that after hours move that made this awesome little rocket formation. But yeah, I'm wondering if it'll be more of a surprise this time. And as well as if this will be the actual squeeze, if this will be the end of the can kicking. If they're putting all their final efforts and trying to get as low as they can before they cover. But or I mean, what's the sign? What does it mean that Citadel just basically got injected with cash? Like that happened. What is that? Lehman Brothers, I think it happened to in 2008, just before they went belly up. So don't really know what's going on behind the scenes there, but I still think GME, great safe investment. Still waiting on news in it. I've been hit with life a little bit the last couple weeks. Trading, off trading. So it's been kind of sucky. But here's our account. I haven't done a whole trading really because I don't have any money to. I mean, I'm short put, so I've got a lot of capital in these 2 short puts, but right now my confidence is way down, so I kind of have to reset and start back over and start slow and get base hits and not just gamble basically. I think I did nothing today, which is good. Not over trading, kind of just waiting for the GME move to kind of happen. Hopefully it happens within this window. It's too bad I didn't sell these on that spike. At that point I was thinking this was looking good. We had bullish MACD, we had almost a green over the 9, and then I was like, all right, we're looking like we're in this phase right here. And then this happened. I'm like, okay, this is the final dip. And then we had that rip. I'm like, all right, here it is. This is somewhere in here. And then they just, yeah. It's hard to know when exactly Citadel got this injection of money, and when it hit their accounts, when they were able to use it. It probably wasn't right when we saw the article, right? It was probably a week or so before that even. So, it could have been used all throughout here. But anyways, not to be a downer, but I gotta pump the brakes, kind of reassess, reevaluate, make some new plans for this year. And I have some for GME mostly. But hopefully if this picks up and we can make a little bit off of this before this month is over, that would be nice. Everything else I'm just holding. Birds is down today. Elbiz is down. Wish shares are down. This is just my trading account. These shares I don't plan to hold really. This is more of a swing trade. Birds I might put into long term, at least some of them. These other ones I just thought they had good value, and yeah, they got wrecked anyways. I did open up a rocket zebra yesterday. Somehow it's down even though it's up. I don't know how I did it wrong. I don't know. Yeah, it just got a bad fill, I guess. Because I opened it up and it was lower. I don't know what happened. Or maybe it's the spread, actually. It's the spread on that. Anyways, I probably should be opening up SPY long plays because I've literally been trying to short SPY for some reason this entire year. And it's only been successful a few times here and here and here. But I gotta go slow. I want to start slow again. See what's going on. Because it does look like it's definitely topped out up here. The weekly chart looks like it is. We've got these big candles and kind of a flat top there. So I don't want to flip positions too early, but yeah, gotta look at that. My Tesla play, my short Tesla really sucked today, up 4% on Tesla. This chart's looking like it's gonna stay bullish. Little false breakout to the downside here on the MACD on Tesla. I mean, it's making lower highs here, but we'll see. We'll see on that one. That's what I got for you guys. Hopefully I can gather my voice back better by tomorrow, and we'll be off again, off to the races. I think Jimmy honestly could pop at any moment, even though the TA isn't looking bullish yet. Just because the timing, and if it does come down, I think it'll be so quick and such a volatility thing that I think it'll probably rip out of there pretty quickly. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on Discord. Have a good afternoon. Peace out.